What's up, guys? I just wanted to film a quick video and show you guys how I've been doing the voice to text to respond to messages. It's super fast. So what I'll do, I have a Google Docs app pulled up on my phone. I'll plug in my headphones and then just type. So I'll pull up my messages first in the Nerd Fitness app. I'll look at whatever message I have to reply to. This is just my own, but let's say I'm replying to whatever message. I'll hit, speak to text on the Google Docs app, and then testing voice text into sample Nerd Fitness document to show it populate and how fast you can put words onto paper by talking into your phone instead of typing it out, period. And then so I'll have I'll have the actual doc open on my computer here, if you can see that, and then basically just type out or talk out a message, go through, edit it, space it out, and then just copy and paste it right into the Nerd Fitness app. And I found that I can rock through messages like probably 5 times faster and actually make them personalized. So that's how I've been doing the voice to text. Again, you need the Google Docs app on your phone, and then you pull up that same Google Docs app on your computer, and then pull up the Nerd Fitness chat or whatever you want to talk about, and then you can just kind of read through the chat, put your words onto the piece of paper, talk it out onto the piece of paper, edit it, and then you're good to go, man. Hope you guys if you try this out, I hope it saves you some time. It saved me a ton of time the last couple days. I wish I knew about this sooner, man, but this is cool. So hopefully it can help you guys out too.